Does being stuck inside during the cold, wintry weather got you down? Do you just wish you could be out in the shop? Well, now you can all year round with the Practical Renaissance Workshop Command Center Dreamhouse Playset! With a fully equipped machining center, cut and store raw material with the sawing and storage center, and fabricate whatever you want at the welding battle station. It comes complete with a Jeff action figure, fully detailed, 1-to-1 replica. Work the lathe. Command Expert G-code at the CNC milling machine. Even TIG weld and heat treat specific carbon steel. You're limited only by your imagination with the Practical Renaissance Command Center Workshop Dreamhouse Playset. Available near you at any major retailer.
Look, I found a real action figure.
Hi, I'm Jeff and welcome back to the shop.
Oh no, the part launched. What are we gonna do? I can't believe I broke a tap. One tiny tap. Which breaker flipped? Which one? Is it in here? Here? Look, it's time to change the bandsaw blade. I'm gonna put it in. There, it's fixed. Better take the truck key out. I bet somebody will leave a comment about that. Then walk over to this. We can just set that on the surface plate. Look, it comes with chips. That's right, chips. Ding. Oh, the cupcakes are ready. Huh? Oh, here I am. Whoop. Cupcakes! Daddy, why isn't this fun?
It's the Practical Renaissance Workshop Command Center Dreamhouse Playset!